Hey everyone, so I have a hand blender here. It's by, I'm not sure if it's pronounced Vavsea or Vavsea, but this is a 5-in-1 immersion blender. I've been using it for a couple weeks now, finally doing a review on it, kind of show you pretty much what it can do. So some of these videos or clips have been spread out over several different days and different recipes and everything. This is advertised as a 1,000-watt immersion blender. Now, I can't say if it really has the power of 1,000 watts or not, but I'll definitely show you what it can do. Go ahead and get this opened up and I'll show you everything that's inside. Oh, you can see what's inside on the picture, but I'll show you life size. So here we got the blender attachment. We have the actual blender. They just attach and then you just press the buttons to release it back off. It does lock in place. We have the little attachment for the whisk and the frother. We got our chopper, our whisk, and our little frother. Now I could say I have never actually made a smoothie before, but my daughters, they've been wanting them and I just haven't really had a blender for it. I could say with the frozen berries, it seems like I'm struggling a little bit with it. I don't know if it's because I don't have enough milk in there or liquid. I couldn't say for sure just because I never make them normally. I'll speed this up here in a second. That way we're not just sitting here for 2 minutes while I try to blend this thing. But I just have just a berry mixture from a frozen bag I got from the store. Added about a half a cup of milk to it. I mean, it gets the job done, but it is struggling a little bit. I can't say for sure if it's got that 1,000 watts of power or not. I have this sped up just to save time in the video. We're making a holiday sauce with it. I started out with 4 egg yolks, just going to blend it up a little bit, let it get the nice little smooth texture, a little bit of volume. You're going to slowly add the hot butter in. You definitely want your butter to be nice and hot, not cold, not room temperature, but about 200 degrees or so. I just add it slowly. And I just blend it at full speed the whole time I'm doing it. Perfect looking holiday sauce. I have to say, I love the immersion blender when it comes to making my sauces and everything. It makes it so simple, easy, a lot quicker. All right, here I'm going to chop up some onions. And what I want to do is I want to do pulses. I don't want it to be blended up, so just, short bursts. Seems like it does a pretty good job when it comes to chopping up vegetables. I think this would be great for doing like salsas and everything as well. Looks pretty good, nicely diced. All right, so let's make a whipped cream with this. I'm going to add the attachment for the whisk. Normally I hand mix a lot of my whipped creams. I haven't really had a good mixer in a while, and that usually takes me about 3 to 4 minutes depending on how fast I can whisk. I'm going to use a cold bowl. Gonna add a little bit of heavy cream. I'm definitely not measuring anything. I'm just kind of going by sight. You can go by taste as well. I'm gonna add a little bit of cinnamon. You don't have to add the cinnamon, but I like it in mine. We're gonna add a little bit of vanilla. Then we're gonna add in some powdered sugar, and I'm gonna speed this up a little bit. As for taste, if you like your sweeter, add some more sugar. Now I'm gonna blend it. I'm gonna start out a little bit slow first, and then I'm gonna turn it up and blend it on full speed. You'll start seeing it get thicker and thicker as you're going. It will only take about a couple minutes. Overall, I'm gonna say that I really do like this immersion set. I can't say for sure if it's got that 1,000 watts of power. It doesn't quite feel that powerful, but it has been working great. The only things I didn't try out was like grinding meat. That's not something I'm gonna do with the chopper, but I've seen people do it. Anyway, I'm definitely gonna recommend this product. It's definitely great for the price. Thank you for stopping by.